How to turn off show location content on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off show location content on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go down, click settings and privacy, and now click this one, privacy and safety, click on it. And then all you need to do is just click this one, content you see, and then click here, explore settings, and now all you need to do is just turn this one off, and you can turn it on again if you want. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.